Hello everyone, this is Official Coding, and we're playing Starmade again. And what we're going to try to do today is work out some proper directional thrusters. So I have here a heavy fighter, and I'm going to just set up a simple directional thruster array. And so what we're going to do first, oops, I already have all this stuff here. Get a cannon, whoops, wrong direction. Cannon, and we need a beam, CV. So what we're going to do first is just... I have the armor cube here for perspective so you can see which direction you're going. We're going to make a rear-facing directional thruster first. And there we go. Now we'll get the beam and some beam modules. There we go. And we need a... we don't need a inertia remote or anything. Just shoot it forward, and we get some speed. So this could be useful potentially for two ways. First, I don't know, tail gunner, sort of janky tail gunner, or you could use it for a just blasting that actually works. And see, it damages whatever's behind it. So yeah, I've always wanted directional thrusters, but they've never been possible. But with the new recoil mechanics, well, I hardly call them new anymore. Been here for months. Oops. Yeah, with the recoil mechanics, yeah, I can do this. And I was playing with this on a Corvette I was building, but I decided not to add it just because the ridiculous power cost. But you know, if you have a ton of extra power, I guess you could do that. And now that we're done with this, let's keep those beams there. Let's get what build mode glitch. Yeah, let's get a cannon. So flip the cannon around here like this. CV cannon here. Oops, oh, I guess it's a really big cannon. Oops. And now this one. Let's get the cannon from up to here. That was connected in from a point. That's wrong. Oh, of course. So this is a cruder directional thruster. And you can see it is accelerating me, but not as much as the cannon beam. Let's flip this around here. I know I could use a camera for this with the new camera stuff, but I like using it this way because I haven't yet really figured out the camera stuff. So yeah, I guess you could do it like this and free camera around while you shoot backwards at your enemies. Like if you're shooting an apparent armor cube or something like that. But yeah, cannon really isn't any good for this. It's not really any good for anything anymore except AMS. Okay, now that we have that, and that doesn't really work. Where was I? Up here. But now, directional thrusters. True directional thrusters. Let's try to have a 6-axis system. So I will need... let's turn off symmetry for this. I will need a cannon computer facing each direction. Well, not the front because... well, not just going forwards, but the other 5 directions. 1, 2... so this one will go backwards. These thrusters will just be 3 by 3 by 3. Goes here. Then this one goes here. Then I need another one facing down. I think this is facing down. Not 27 computers. There we go. And now I need one facing that that way. I'm not going to label these on inner ship remotes, because that would be really not fun. Okay, one more axis of thrust. This facing which direction? That direction. That direction. Which direction do we need? Oh, of course. Beam facing down like this. Is actually going to face down correctly. Yes, okay. C goes to this last bank of Canon computers. There we go. 5 banks. Now we just need 5 beam computers. I'm not going to bother rotating these or anything. CV, 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 CV. Okay. Now the beam computers go up here. Just drop them down randomly. Beam modules, I mean. Like that. And this right here. Last one up here. Okay. All these Canon computers. I wish the Canon computer up here would show the rotation of the computer. That would help you sort of a little bit, maybe. Oh, whoops. And I need my this, so I can actually tell which direction I'm going. That was the point of this, wasn't it? Okay, so after this thing finishes cooling down, we'll test them all. So this one shoots me down. This one shoots me up. That one shoots me sideways to the left. This one shoots me backwards. And this one shoots me to the right. So, yeah, some pretty ridiculous stuff here. So, yeah, this could be useful, maybe, for some applications. If you wanted extreme roleplay crap going on, I guess you could do that. But for the most part, it's just kind of fun to play around with. I'll probably never actually put one of these in my ships, and if I do, it'll just be a small one just for show. Just say, hey, look, I got a stupid directional thruster in my ship. Just like I got a stupid ramp in my ship. And yeah, this what happens to my weapons testing platforms. Alright, so I guess this is pretty much it. I'm gonna just have to delete this ship. And yeah, this wasn't really a logic tutorial, but you know, I bunched it up with those. No logic really involved with this. Just placing stuff down and finding places to put it, I guess. And just one more thing, actually. I'm gonna see if I think I already know the answer to this, but I'm just gonna make sure. Yep, pink is good for this. Let's undo some of this stuff. Spamming undo redo. Okay. I'm gonna see if the location of the thruster, the beam, has anything to do with how it thrusts. I got a feeling it won't, because I think I already tested this, but I'm just gonna test one more time. 5x5x5 will be good. Add a beam up here. Nope. It should, but I get the feeling it won't. So let's rotate me to the right. So we need to rotate this thing this way for it to shoot that way. And of course the beam, C, B, what? Cannon goes to cannon. Too far away, I guess. And beam goes to beam. And I forgot to slate them to each other. CV. Let's test this. Oops. That actually may have worked. It may have actually rotated me. Although I doubt it. I'm going to try this again. This time with the camera correctly in place. Nope, it didn't. So I guess that is okay, just takes a bit of the fun out of it. But it should still work. Oops, and that's shooting it the wrong way. I am now going to damage this thing. And it has a scope. It's funny how I'm just now playing with these weapons update features after like months of them being in the game. Like the different chambers. That's been, yeah, months. So yeah, like I said, this isn't really a logic video, but I might make a logic video in the future. I don't really know what recording cut out, so before I could finish testing this, so I rebuilt it, because I didn't figure it out till after the recording was over. So I've rebuilt this thing, and let's test it again. I don't know if I have everything perfect, but fire this. And I guess this does maybe a little cause it a bit of rotation, but really not much. Not enough to have sort of rotational thrusters, which is maybe a little bit of a pity. No, it doesn't really cause any rotation. Now, which way is it firing? It is firing this way, so let's just try to see if we can see where the projectile is going. That way. Ooh, okay. Crash into that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and hope you learned something from this, or even if you didn't learn anything, if you already knew this stuff all along, hope this entertained you. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.